This one is probably the closest one to production right now.
Okay.
They'll just say as soon as they get an OEM to purchase the design.
And that's Moorestown, isn't it? Yeah.
Yeah, this is all Moorestown.
So this is basically just a demo of x86 Android, the open source stuff that's around, yeah?
Exactly.
Yeah.
So yeah, this is Android running on top of mobile.
Right. And
Fully compatible. I mean, I can make a phone call for you, from my BlackBerry to this device right now. I mean, and you can also do it on mobile as well. So the software stack is getting close to being ready as well.
that's interesting, but it's not actually part of the Open Handset Alliance, the x86 build, is it?
Yeah.
It's completely separate, so someone would have to take the open source and rebuild it for x86 and then do all the
Right.
voice
So
stack and stuff like that.
Moorestown W is going to be coming out. What we call Moorestown W.
Sorry, say that again.
Moorestown W. So we already have software workarounds
Right.
that we can go and we have Windows 7.
So this is interesting. Moorestown W.
Ah!
Could you basically tell me a little bit more about Moorestown W and what that is?
Dang it!
Oops.
So is this the Windows capable version
I would
of
say
Moorestown?
sooner or later Windows will be able to be able to
So
run on
you
this.
talked about this at IDF last year that there would be a Windows capable version
Right.
coming. In fact, Anand talked about this last year. So with a proper BIOS and the whole thing. But
On an aesthetic publicly, so it's fine.
right. But do we want to see Windows running on these devices?
Yeah, exactly. Do you?
We want to see Migo, we want to see Android, and we want to see some nice dynamic operating systems.
I wouldn't mind seeing Windows Phone 7 running on it, from what I saw today.
Well, that's an option. Yeah.
Also, so when Windows when Moorestown W comes out, it'll run full blown Windows 7.
Yeah.
Yeah, we have it running on our CDKs. Full blown
What does
Windows.
Moorestown W scale to in terms of CPU clock?
I think we have them at 1.5, but we clock them down to about 600.
Right, so we're looking at 600 in phones, basically, yeah?
Right. But they'll also have the turbo aspect of it,
Right.
so it can
they'll be
go
able
all
to
the way up to
boost
1.5 and then go back down.
Right,
Same
600 to
battery.
1.5, interesting.
Right.
Yeah. Still on target with Moorestown production for within the first half of 2010, I think was the announcement at CES. Still on target?
That's what Paul Olini said, and that's exactly what's going to happen.
Yeah, you're following the party line. That's good. All right, well, thanks for that demo. Thank you.
Yeah,